Confirm clear to land at Delta 5 Bravo November.
ETIHAD 5 Bravo November, 13207, clear to land runway 24 left.
Clear to land 24 left at Delta 5 Bravo November, thanks.
Stable. Check. Check.
above. Minimum.
Check.
$80, $70, $60, $50, $40, $30, $20, retard.
Spoiler.
5 Bravo November, can we take Delta 4?
ETIHAD 5 Bravo November, Delta 4, taxi onto runway 06 left.
Sir, Delta 4 and right on 06 left at 5 Bravo November.
70 knots.
At 5 Bravo November, contact ground 121.9, good day.
1219 at 5 Bravo November, taxi up. Ground morning at 5 Bravo November, taxiing on 6 left.
At 5 Bravo November, good day. Your gate is currently occupied. Taxi down the runway and hold short at Delta 3 for now.
Copy, down the runway, hold short Delta 3 at 5 Bravo November.
Area 5 Bravo November, requesting extent of delay.
I don't know how long it's going to be. Let me ask Apron here. At 5 Bravo November, apparently they're working on the bridges to the gate there, so they're going to let me know, and as soon as I get something, I'll call you back.
Okay, copy, and in the meantime, we hold on the runway, short Delta 3.
Right.
Grounded at 5 Bravo November.
At 5 Bravo November.
Any update for us?
No, nothing. I haven't heard from Apron, and I don't know how long it's going to be. If you want to contact them directly on 12207, just ask. You're free to do that. Other than that, it's going to be a couple of minutes. They're working on the gate itself, so